Tesla files for, we were waiting for you for this, Mo.
Yeah.
You're the number one Tesla shareholder other than Elon Musk.
Right.
Oh, I saw some
I'm
chat
number
people asking about your
Analysis.
Yeah.
The people want your analysis.
Right. Yeah.
Tesla files for a 3-way stock split to make its shares more affordable. The last stock split was August 2020. What do you think? Get more people involved? You like the idea?
Yeah, I like the idea.
Get more people involved.
I think most people have access to buying fractional shares nowadays, but it's still a decent move for Tesla to do this 3-way stock split for paying employees with the stock compensation instead. So you can actually provide that that discount or stock option to even lower level employees because it's a lower stock price for it. It's kind of interesting because most people like Amazon or Google will do a stock split to get like a little bit of a bump in their stock number, right? Because as soon as it becomes more affordable, people tend to buy a lot more, or it becomes easier to make that purchase. But I don't think that's the case right now, especially with the Tesla stock just tanking over the last few days. I don't think their main interest is to get a bump right now. I think they're trying to lower it or split it so that they can pay their employees or use their smaller stock option to pay employees. This is just my take, though.
So you have more shares now.
Well, not yet. It still needs to be approved. The board needs to approve it. And it's not more shares. It's just your same slice, just divided up.
Yeah, more shares.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, it's technically more shares.
Technically, might be more shares.
Yes. I mean,
Which for you?
Yeah.
What about him?
I don't know.
Yeah, I guess for me it would be great. I mean, it's nice for anybody who doesn't want more shares of something.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a packaging thing, really.
Yeah.
It's a packaging thing. And like you said, I mean, maybe there's a sort of psychology to it as well for retail and investors that they just feels more approachable. It feels more affordable, even though, like we said, it's okay. So go back up to the top here. Tesla's asking its shareholders to approve a 3-way stock split to help make the company's share cheaper for buyers. Request is included in a list of provisions Tesla's planning to bring up August 4th. While this value appreciation has led to our employees benefiting enormously through the years, we want to make sure all employees, no matter when they join, have access to the same advantages. I don't know that it'll ever be the same advantages. What does Jesse say? It also makes options like calls and puts more affordable. At one point, Tesla call option was $7,000 plus for one contract. The electric car maker stock closed on Friday 69669.
You can say anything there?
I blame The Verge for that. I guess it did close at that price, but it's not there anymore. That's down $22 from the previous day. If the stock split goes into effect, Tesla shareholders will receive 2 additional shares of common stock on that date. That's you, Mo! 2 additional shares.
Right.
Oh, my God. I don't even know you can handle anymore.
Whatever I have.
I don't even think you. I don't even know if you have anywhere to put all these extra shares.
You're right. I don't know what I'm going to do with them.
Yeah, storage, some type of storage. But yes, this is. I think it's a good move. I don't know. You kind of have to do this frequently when
there's such a high demand.
Yeah, it's when particularly for a brand like them. But we've covered it on brands recently as well, other than
Amazon,
Tesla. Amazon, like those shares look so daunting. They look so terrifying.
Yeah,
those big prices.
They're over 2,000 each, and they did a 20-to-1. Actually, Amazon's has went through. I think Google's is still. I might be wrong here.
You walk through the store, and it says $4, or it says $3.99.
There you go. You know what you're doing.
$3.99.
Yeah.
Proven. Psychology.
We don't even have pennies.
Yeah, we don't.
But we have the idea of a penny.
So when I get tapped,
Go
does
ahead.
it round it up to 4? Or
Go ahead.
I think when I'm tapping, it's doing the digital, right?
It counts
if I'm
digitally.
paying,
it counts
obviously.
digitally. In cash, you'd be rounded up to 4.
It would round
but
up to
in
4.
digital, it's digital, man. It's digital.
In digital,
It's digital.
It's digital. It's a 0 or it's a 1.
He's right.